hiking trails, a quiet cul-de-sac, this beautiful Almaden home has the perfect location. Let's check it out. With a family room and a living room, there's plenty of space to chill or divide and conquer. There's a full bedroom and bathroom downstairs. Guests are welcome and stairs are optional. Sitting on a pie-shaped lot, this yard brings privacy and potential for gardening, gathering, and maybe a nap or two. I'm Tamara, and if you've been waiting for a home that checks all the boxes, location, lifestyle, and layout, this one might be the one for you. Give me a call, I'd love to chat.